Mamma mia, salut les amis et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo. Today we are going to solve another exercise under HEC 2020 circuit analysis exercise number 5. The first question is to identify the diagram that you have on the board, and we discover that this is a multiplexer. So what is a multiplexer? It's also called data selector. It's a combinational circuit that have 2 power n input for data and n input for address selection and only 1 output. So we can say that for the first question to identify, we have 2 power n. Let me take the pen. 2 power n equal to 8 here with n equal to 3. So we have 3 input for address selection and 2 power n input for data. So here we have 8 input, which is from I0, I1 to I7 for data, and S0, S1, S3 for address selection, and only 1 output here, which is showing by letter L. That was the role of the input. That is all about that question number A. Now for question number B, express the output equation of the function L. So we are going to draw the truth table of this circuit so that we can simply see it very well. Let me wipe this place so that I can get a small area here to draw it perfectly. So as we were saying that we have 3 input here. It is, we have A, B, C, and the output here is L. The truth table is showing like this. Here we will have for the first combination 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, so here will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. The computer is jogging. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And for the output, we discover that when we are reading the information on this input according to the input address, we discover that I1 is connected to VCC, means that it will be linked to 1, it will be connected to 1. Let's say 1, here is 1. So I1 again, and the I1, the input I1 is connected to GND, means that here we will be seen as is 0 volt. Yeah, you are going to replace that output by 0, as well as I2, I3 are connected into 1. Okay, means that is 1, 1, and the remaining stay to 0. So that is the truth table that we are supposed to have. We are going to see how to simplify this truth table by using Karnaugh Map in order to have a simplified output equation. From this truth table now, we can derive the equation of the output, the equation of output L. So I'm going to write it like that. L, the equation of the output, is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, or A bar, A bar, B, C bar, or A bar, B, C. That is all about that that output. That is all. And it was the expression of equation number B. It was under 6 marks. Express the output equation of the function L. Simplify the equation with the help of Karnaugh map. So we are going to draw a Karnaugh map in order to simplify this equation. Let me quickly draw that Karnaugh map. Here we are going to have A, B, it's too long for me, C. Here 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. The computer is disturbing. Okay, and here you have 0, 1. Okay, we are going to represent this equation, the output equation, into this Karnaugh map. So we have A bar, B bar, C bar. That letter will be fine. That letter will be fine here. A bar, B bar, C bar will be fine here. And as well as A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar means that it will be here. And A bar, B, C. A bar, B, and C will be fine here. And the remaining will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let us carry out the expression of this equation now. To simplify this equation now, we are going to group it into 2 packets. I'm going to group it like that, as well as here. And now the first grouping, now for this first grouping, is going to give me, I discovered that A bar does not change. Why? B change the value, as C does not change. So I'm going to get A bar C, A bar C bar also. And this other second grouping is going to give me, I discovered that A bar does not change and B does not change, and why C change the value is going to give me A bar B. Now means that the output equation now will be, let me send it up so that the output equation now will be only L following Karnaugh map will be equal to A bar C bar or A bar B. That is all about the simplification of this equation using Karnaugh map. If you have the question, don't forget to ask me in the description section below related to Karnaugh map. So now let us go up and see the next question. Simplify the equation with the help of Karnaugh map. That is all. We have already simplified. Draw the logic diagram for this, for the simplify output function using only the NAND gate output. We discover that from this simplify equation, Karnaugh map equation, we discover that we have the AND gate as well as NOR gate. We are going to minimize it in order to get only the NAND gate. So if we take this equation L now, let's say, let me take L, which is equal to A bar C bar or A bar B. Now if we have a we add something, let's say we add bar on top like that, you have not changed anything, and this thing will give you will be equal to A bar C bar and A bar B, and the first break will give us this one and this one. You discover that you have not changed. That is how you can transform this output equation in order to draw that that logigram with only the help of NAND gate. So we are going down now, represent this equation. Now to achieve that equation, I prefer that we use a computer in order to simulate and check whether this truth table is good or not. I have already drawn the circuit, so I'm going to show you how is working. That is it. That is our logic diagram. So we are going to simulate and see how it works very well. We discover, according to this truth table, we discover that when you have A 0 0 0, the output will be on, will be 1. That is it. When you have input 0 0 0, the output is supposed to be 1. So let us launch the simulation and see how it's going. So we have 0 0 0, the output is 1. When you have 0 0 1, the output will be 0. That is it, according to this truth table. 0 0 1, the output is 0. 0 1 0, the output will be 1. 0 1 1, the output will be also 1. Let us continue the simulation. 0 0 1, the output will be 1. 0 1 1, the output will be also 1. Now 0 1 0 0 until the end, the output will be 0. 1 0 0, the output will be 0. 1 0 0, the output will be 0. 1 1, the output will be 0. Means that the truth table that we draw is correct. That is how you can represent this thing very well. So if you have the question, maybe on this circuit wizard, you can check my playlist on circuit wizard in the description. I'm going to link give the link of the circuit wizard, how you can simulate with circuit wizard, in description section below. Don't forget to ask the question if you are confused or you have anything. That is how you can simulate the truth table by the help of circuit wizard. That is all. I hope all the questions have been solved. This question have been solved. This other one, as well as this other one, and this one we use circuit wizard in order to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate like, share, comment. Switching guide for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and happy new year once more to 2021 academy years. Ciao.